Perhubungan
Nasional tahun 2024. Jaya.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been.
Upacara peringatan Hari Perhubungan Nasional tahun 2024 siap dimulai.
kerjakan
Silakan.
Sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heart.
peserta peringatan Hari Perhubungan Nasional saya banggakan. Sesuai visi misi Presiden Jokowi, yaitu terwujudnya Indonesia maju, berdaulat, mandiri, dan berkepribadian berlandaskan gotong royong. Sektor transportasi juga telah membuktikan komitmennya untuk berkolaborasi, mewujudkan konektivitas sehingga seluruh wilayah Indonesia dapat terhubung, berdaulat, dan meraih kemandirian ekonomi.
Third things third, send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh, I was choking.